68 years of non-stop hiccups. Imagine battling an involuntary reflex every single day for nearly 7 decades. Charles Osborne holds the record for the longest bout of hiccups, starting in 1922 and only ceasing in 1990. This relentless condition, which began after a seemingly harmless fall, had doctors baffled and Charles seeking countless remedies. Despite the persistent hiccups, Charles managed to lead a relatively normal life, even getting married and raising children. His story is a testament to human resilience and the mysterious quirks of our bodies. How would you cope with hiccups that lasted a lifetime?